and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Controversy erupts as teacher removed without pay sparks community outcry. Shillong and Khuborjylla unite in protest against fatal beating. SMB swiftly acts on HYC's plea, removes drug-ridden dumping area, and elephant attack leaves trail of destruction on Garo Hills border road. And now the news in detail. In a contentious move, Teldaris Nongbri, a dedicated educator at Latnokse Lower Primary School, was abruptly terminated from her position after 9 years of service, leaving her without salary. The circumstances surrounding her removal remain shrouded in mystery. Prompted by a complaint, the Hnyautrap Youth Council HYC Stoyong Circle swiftly intervened, visiting the Subdivisional School Education Officer SDSEO on 7th of May to seek clarification on Nongbri's dismissal. According to HYC General Secretary Hamar Bamut Thaba, Nongbri was appointed by the school's managing committee in February 2016 but was ousted on May 3, 2024, allegedly by the school's head teacher, Professor Shillong. HYC leaders revealed that Shillong purportedly demanded a bribe of 50,000 rupees for the processing of Nongbri's documents to enable her continued employment. The SDSEO pledged to issue a show cause notice, signalling a potential investigation into the troubling circumstances surrounding Nongbri's dismissal.
SDSEO halor kakam malasaweng no ya ka terrorist negeri bat nilapan jing pencai dulu ka bedai bat ka jing kam bat hang ni kapor mentang ngidon ya ka jing jawa hakmat jungu laiteli kata ka kong bangi jawa badai bentong kampiang ya ikong terrorist nongri kum nyong kai jong ka lai nok sai LP school kabar kalong ka jing jawa ban penstom ya u Professor Shillong u badai Hukum Sekretari Jong ketika school lain nok sai LP school bat kabalai kalong ba ipan jing becai halor ka jing sha wen kam ye ikong terrorist robbery te kat kum ka jing tip nyong kaseng ka ba nakaliang ikong terrorist robbery ila pentip chingi kaseng ba kadon kata ka jing bom yo tulop ka jong i nadu khasan tarik ajakan rio benai baar ba ilalik benhikai hati school bala recommend ru daka MC jong ketika lain nok sai LP school te nadu ketika senam hadu kat mentai singi hadu kini singi arjar opsal te nakalen jingi iklam yo ai yang jingsiu pat tengkaru te khane ka benta nakalen jingi sing sudap daka mesim ka basukhia khantam idei idu pentai bat haju ka poru kaladon ka jing dawa bisa na utei u ketisar jong ketika school hadu san phau jap sangka kata ke balong ba udawa ketika sa kadau kalong ba wong bengai pendek pembiang ikut sela bangan yo ban perong ti kum dengan kai te jinglong kum iru kan thai ila ai kata bisa henry ai 10,000 te kata 10,000 ila ai hu bat kata kampat kala susah ta te nakalen jingi ibu kajing dawa ba akabede butuh bisa nakaliang ka office jong SD SEO udah bensim action but udah ga tulap jong tei u Professor Shillong ba udah nadu senam ka bai SEO lot ya ka ka bai bela ka jong i te akabede berkajing keren jong u ba uang ba imbiang kita ikut Shillong ba omla bandrong kam noi kai henry nadu utik senam kaba mai ilik benjoin 4 don kam ya kata KMT kaba mai mla 4 la ban pendap henry hakti kipor la don kam ya kata ka DLT tiga DLT ikong terrorist iladap ban pendap haus nem ndai tarik ndai balai arjar arfau iladap ban pendap ya ka training te kumangitip abngilek ya training kino kai gide badon hak service in service kino kai ila banlek pendap mesti training te hang ni stu chai ba ikong teroris idei inong hikai iba lathung nak MC te komjoru kat kom kati kaba nakalang jung ul airu kan MC haka bidei ba kati kajing le training ya kati ka Meghalaya teacher eligibility test te nakalang jung ul ai kan MC bat ula sign ru bu haka kati MC di Khubor mentang isio bedong ba nakalang office kadi ban sim khia ya kani bat nakalang USD SEO ru ulai ka asuran yangi ba habedai bang di kam nakalang u sa sim khia ban persio Khubor bahalon bat sa sim khia ru ban lek ban sokos ya utai hatcha bat ban ya di tagilanti bat kumdo ban la ban yarap habedai bang di kam jong intelligence nongri te halor kata nakalang ko office kadi ban pensitom ya utai ubriu ubadon benta hakakam bandawa bisa khantam ya kadi buntai te
On May 7th, 2024, the leaders of Shillong Eastern West Khasi Hills District, joined by residents, students and Khubor leaders, convened a rally to denounce the brutal beating of 2 individuals in Umthlong. The gathering echoed with chants for justice as the community mourned and condemned the perpetrators' actions. Currently, Shillong village leaders convened a meeting at Shillong Upper Primary School where speakers vehemently opposed the incident and urged district authorities, especially the police, to conduct a thorough investigation into the perpetrators. The unified stance of Shillong and Khubor underscores their demand for accountability and justice.
Jong gajat bener khasi anila mangi para khasi khara para nong chong Shillong iya dak dak berhenti kaban siam ya kaan kaban siam ya gajing imbriu yim tip Shillong in point kom gajat bener khasi ngangas no ba ba kom kani Khubor ya kom ka Shillong ka thau yin snang ya la gijong gi pat ba nong chong Shillong hala gijong gi song gi thau gijong gi masuk komen ba sodan mesti sadan ili tu bagradon gading ja ka kum kani ka baja po Umthlong hapo Shillong ni nomor gading start jadi ngalam Shillong tang sipor ya pendap ya ka kam bakil IT bet sekarang kata kali garu kom trikam jongi kinong Shillong jongi dalbar Shillong kam de shu ka jok mangini pai ba mangini khot ya ki khlong ki kena ki kentai ban bisa ni ka kam jongno jongno kata ka jok kali ka jok jongi pon bendai kali ka jok ka jingdom bat kalamat ong ka jok jong riu bombat nama terkadang ngakot di fikir pai ba nong Shillong ini apa semua ni long ki briu ki basai ki briu ki basta radon ki ja ki bakum kine shania baik au soda ki rongba joka Shillong ngire mi wan mangi ki kentai ki kena chakmat amar si sin mengalom pai ba kandon baik kajing bitar kandon baik kajing ko penihar puput nak terkadang ngakot di fikir nyakiar ki ja ki bakum kine dengan ITB akhirnya ngelam Shillong kini kajing ja kelawan ra yang kajing snosi dik wepat dipat ba dengan negara ini kajong mong jendal lang inale saka Human Rights Commission magistrate ki pulit bagi ngelam Shillong kita daiban syakam amar kumno on susim Peit yang kajing jong ki breu hem dadon ganu ini kala penlong ini bani song sir hala kajong kari kat ba ki babun nong sinsar kiseng bahalang kitang dawa yang pikian banyada yangi kikun kasi kara hendai kata kajing dawa kajongi kapulong teban yangi bangin hap ban sim yang jing im jong ki parado ki parasna ki jogi ngai i kisnam ki bladap no kijing ja ki boper hakaba ki wei kinong Shillong kitang lekai si ki wei pat kijaka jong ki wei pat ki Shillong nda haba pedeng jong jingya nanti lapan sange ekali jong ki bala suba penban bagi di kinong Shillong kani gajing suba jong ki pat ba ki kun kasi kara ki jongi hakeleng Ya ki wei pat ki nong Shillong ki bawan ban trei ban kata ki Shillong ki jongi. Kala julong na ka wei ka por sa ka wei pat. Bat kata kala long ka ching e wakrao. Hakani ka ri kasi wei ki jongi. Bat nda bangila try sneer yung no priuru. Nim ju
Following persistent pleas from the Hinotrap Youth Council HYC concerning the dumping area in Motpran established by the Shillong Municipal Board SMB, the site had devolved into a haven for drug addicts and illicit drug trade. Urging immediate action, HYC leaders demanded the SMB's intervention to eradicate the menace. Responding promptly, within a day, the SMB swiftly removed the dumping area. The move relieved street vendors and passers-by, restoring normalcy and safety to the area. The episode underscores the power of community advocacy in effecting change for the betterment of society. An onslaught by a herd of wild elephants wreaked havoc on a border road in Garo Hills, obliterating an auto car and a motorcycle. Travelers narrowly escaped as they abandoned their vehicles and fled into the jungle. The attack occurred in the Nalwagre and Rasnagre border road of South Garo Hills, 16 kilometers from Bakmara around 2 p.m. on Tuesday. The marauding elephants, reportedly from neighboring Bangladesh, showed no mercy as they crushed the vehicles, pushing the alto car into a shallow ditch. Local villagers intervened after Bangladeshi nationals attempted to scavenge the remains. The incident underscores the escalating threat of elephant attacks along the border belt, exacerbated by neglected infrastructure, forcing commuters onto perilous routes.
গাড়ি উবাইন গেলছি রে হরেন টরেন সব হয়ে গেলছি এই যে গাড়ি মানুষকু মানুষ মেরে লাইছে উত্তর রানীপুর গামদুর থানা দুবড়া জেলা ময়মনসিংহ পোস্ট অফিস চাওড়াপাড়া।
Rinaldo K. Sangma, member of District Council MDC from Rongrong constituency, has criticized local MLAs of North Garo Hills district for the appalling condition of main roads. Sangma highlighted the plight of school children navigating through slushy and deteriorating roads due to MLA neglect. He pointed out the state government's failure to enhance road infrastructure, particularly in Rezubelpara, the district headquarters. Sangma lamented the presence of severe potholes in Rezubelpara's main roads, with makeshift fixes by crony contractors diverting funds meant for proper repairs. Urging immediate action, Sangma called upon the local MLA of Rezubelpara to personally inspect and expedite road improvements in collaboration with the government. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.